Then next is like, suppose I want to have this in the form of a subsystem. Like this is a system which is taking some input and then converting and processing and then giving some output. Then what you can do, you just means select the area where one and display is not there, and remaining things should be covered. One and display should not be there. Yeah, area where one display means the middle area you select. Yeah, select the middle area where the blocks are there, operational blocks like add and feedback. Select the area with when it becomes blue, like just click on the mouse and drag the area somewhere in the space, not there on the signal. Yeah, yeah. On top, can you go little up? No. Can you go little up? More? Little more? No. Don't click on the signals. I'm telling to select all the area. That is, yeah. Except the one and the display block. What you can do, you just bring your cursor to the constant one block. Yeah, little above. Yeah, little above. Little above. Click there. Yeah, click there. Yeah, click. Okay, then click somewhere else so that nothing will come. Yeah. So what you can do, you keep your cursor somewhere in the white space, left side. No, that area only. Yeah, and left click and drag it, not upside, downside. You need to select the area where we have add block and all those things. No. Press on space. Yeah, now select the area where add and delay block is there. Okay, the area is on the right hand side. So can you, select that area. That box should cover the feedback and the block. No, not like that. Okay, not like that. Just select the area where add and delay block is there by creating the box that you were creating. Yeah. The box should be like, it should cover all signals and all. Now it is selected. There is some options coming up on the bottom, right? Yeah, on top also, the 3 dots are there. Yeah, yes. There is a create subsystem option, that is the right side first option. Right side. Click on that. Yes. Okay. Now it is being converted into a subsystem, which will take input and give some output. Okay. Now just arrange it in a streamline so that it will look good. Space. Okay, done. Yes. So this is how you will create a subsystem when you have already a model. So just go inside the subsystem by double clicking on that. Yeah. Okay. So what it usually will be doing is described here, and it means that it will take some signals. Okay. And it will add, and it will add the output of the add also. So suppose, can we go little level up? There is a up arrow beside that subsystem is written, right? Yeah, this is the hierarchy. Go to the top hierarchy. Yeah, here instead of 1, you can type sine wave. Not there, in some white space, like you were adding SINE.
Sine wave.
Yeah, sine wave.
There are two.
Yeah. No, second one. Okay, this is a sine wave. Previously, what we were doing, we were adding constant, right? Now, what we will do, we will add sine wave values into it. Okay. So instead of that one, you use this block. Delete 1.
Okay.
Yeah. Now try to simulate. Okay. Now we have not inspected the data, or we have already. Okay. Click on that. It will show how it is behaved. Okay.
Yes.
The input is, instead of constant, it is sine wave. So
Yes.
blue color is
Output.
okay. Output is blue color. It is smooth. Okay, can you check the signals which refers to which one in the block? No, inside, go inside the subsystem, double click on that. Yeah, what you can do, you just click on the signal, first signal, yeah, and give name as input. Yeah. Now run the simulation. Now check the data inspector. Constant is there, right? So it is
Yes.
present in the downside. Run 2 or run 3. You can click on the others also. You can expand it, that drop down arrow. You have defined input, right? Somewhere. Or you have not saved it because of that.
Mm.